Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to show you how to make the Oreo popsicle. First thing you have to do is to crush the Oreo using your rolling pin. If you don't have rolling pin, use gloves to crush it. Then add the Nestle cream. Whip Nestle all-purpose cream into soft peaks for spooning over desserts. Do this at high speed for stiffer peaks. When you're done whipping, add the condensed milk for at least half of this can. Then start mixing again until it's well combined. Open your Oreo sachet. And start filling. When you're done filling, insert the plastic fork. I don't have the wood stick, so I use this plastic. So it's done. Freeze until it firms. Freeze them until overnight to see a better result. So we have now the popsicle. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay safe. Bye bye.